On 23rd and 25th February 2022, Merseyside Expanding Horizons conducted online training as part of the Erasmus Plus ONlife project. On the first day, participants were asked to join the platform called Padlet, where they put pins around the world and told their story. After that, we joined a platform called Daybreeze, where we played a game called Story Dice. In this game, 5 dice with 5 different pictures are shuffled and participants had to create a story based on that. The next game was on a platform called Categories, in which participants had to think of a word starting on a specific letter for different categories. After that, we showed participants how platform Jamboard works. On the second day, we did one icebreaker where participants were asked to pick a number from 1 to 365, and depending on the number they picked, they got a question to answer. Then we asked them to grab 3 random items from their room and create a story connected to our training. After that, we played a game called What Are You Doing? Our next game was Identity Triangle game on Jamboard. Participants were divided in groups of 3 people in breakout rooms on Zoom. By discussing, the group had to find one thing common to all 3 of them, one thing unique to each duo, and one thing unique for each person. At the end, we did evaluation of the training on Jamboard. Participants were asked to answer 8 different questions. First question was, what did you find challenging regarding this platform? Some of the answers were, platform has a lot of options, that might be a challenging part. And, nothing really, everything so far so good. Second question was, what did you like the most regarding this platform? We received 3 answers. Easy to use, simple and straightforward, and how simple it is to use it. Third question was, how would you describe this session with one word? We received 7 answers, amazing, useful, interesting, funny, and new. Fourth question was, will you explore and use this platform for your own work? We received 6 answers and all were positive. Fifth question was, what suggestions do you have to further develop online teaching performing? We received 5 answers, one of which was, I think that online platforms have several options, it's just a shame when there is poor connection. Sixth question was, how will you use this experience in your own work situation? One of the comments was, I can use these games to make better interactions with my students. Seventh question was, what ideas, solutions, tasks proposed in the session are inspiring to you? Last 8 question was, do you find this particular platform relevant, suitable for the content of the tasks? And we received 4 positive comments. After the training, participants were provided with guidelines to all the platforms presented and with certificates of attendance.